The Produce Chemist Lab, we're under the Ministry of Agriculture, and we do product research and development, and these are just a few items that you see in front of you. We do training, technical assistance. We also do different testing, so if you need a nutritional content of your product, we do testing for that. Alcohol content, moisture content of your dry stuff. We also do microbial testing, pH testing. From time to time, we would do CVQ training so persons can gain their, when we have large groups, so persons can gain their CVQ in agro-processing. And part of our research and development, you see here today, I was tasked with the challenge from Troy. Sorry, it was really last minute, but that's okay. To make some products from the different root crops that we have on island. He requested the ginger candy, so it's a healthier option. The ginger was scraped, sliced, it was boiled, the water was removed, and then it was crystallized with sugar, just in a nutshell. And nothing was wasted except the skin, because I used the water that was removed from it to make a concentrate, because we do know that you don't always have ginger in season, especially in the rainy season. So you can have your ginger and enjoy it. You can pour your ginger in your cup and add your water, things like that. I also have cassava flour, which is no stranger to us. You can make your pancakes and your breads, your porridge. I was challenged with this one as well because I've never made yam flour before. It was a bit challenging, but here we are. It's a final product. And I also have sweet potato flour here. We call it whole sweet potato because, again, nothing was wasted. The potato was scrubbed, it was clean, and we made the flour with the skin on the potato. It was left on the potato. So here you had nothing wasted. And this one was the orange flesh sweet potato. So we used, the sweet potato that has the orange skin. It was, again, we used it to make flour. And do I have anything? Oh, sorry, I have wedges on the outside as well, too. I was, again, challenged with the sweet potato with the orange flesh to do some wedges. You know that it's a healthier option to the Irish potato. So the wedges was also done and packaged. And that is something that we could encourage persons to use. We can do the wedges, bake or fry for our children or grandchildren as a healthier option to sweet potato. So that's us in a nutshell. And you can feel free to contact us. I have small pamphlets with information with our email address, telephone number. You can contact us if you need any additional information. And this is not the only products that we do research in. We do many other products as well too, but again, since this is root crop, you would only see root crops here, but we do a lot of products with sea moss and tomato, mango. We know we have a lot of mango wasting, so we do drinks with mango, tamarind, and many other products I can go on and on about.